Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. If you have a VLR 100 engine and it's not starting, or before you try to start it, there's one thing you really need to pay attention to, and that is this little red button right here, the kill switch. If the button is pressed in and it's kind of sunk in compared to the green button, this kart is not going to start. As much as you hit that button, it's not going to start. If you push it again, it raises equal height as the green one. Now the kart will start. I forgot about that when I got this engine again, and it can definitely cause a headache, so make sure that you're paying attention. Again, that it's equal height. You hit it again, it's going to stay a little bit lower. Hit it again, it goes to where it should be to get the kart to fire up. Apparently you can disconnect, there's like a pink wire or something, you can disconnect it and make it irrelevant. It'll start from either position, but if you have one of these, just make sure that's what's going on. It'll save you a lot of headache from trying to figure out why your kart won't start. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.